Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I went and bought some hair products from Target to kind of give myself a little refresh. I have a goal where I want to get my hair grown out to about right here, and usually when I get to this stage where it's kind of like just kind of starts hitting my shoulders and it starts getting annoying, I end up cutting it. So I am struggling to get past this stage, and I thought maybe some new products will help me. When I got home, I realized that I really don't have any space to put my new stuff. I figured I better go ahead and declutter this bathroom cabinet. I'll insert a before clip right here and clean it up a little bit before I can kind of start fresh with my new products and be excited about using them. So I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you. If you like decluttering videos or hair product videos or Target haul videos, then this video is for you, so just keep watching. I laid my Target hair product haul on this wrap that we picked up from Sam's Club. I had the serious early fall vibes. I actually filmed this clip and the declutter clip on September 1st, and I'm just now getting around to doing the voiceover and posting it. This is the packaging for the wrap, and it's soft and cozy. I need to go back and see if they have any other colors. We've been finding lots of good clothes at Sam's lately. I have a cheap Conair curling iron. It's 3/4 of an inch. I raved about it in one of my hair videos, and I'm not getting rid of that thing. As old and crusty as it is, it's going to go into storage, and I'm just going to start using this one to see if I like it, because as I grow my hair out, I thought maybe the 1 inch might be better, and it was pretty color. I also wanted to pick up a new dry shampoo just to try a different brand and scent. And if you've seen my second day hair video, you know I like to use these hair wraps to keep my hair dry in the shower. I'm always on the hunt for anything that will keep my bangs out of my face. A lot of clips like this don't really hold your hair, but these are wonderful. I highly recommend them. And I've been watching some YouTube videos for hair inspiration, and a lot of styles call for teasing your hair, and I've never had a teasing comb, so I picked up one of these. It was really cheap, and I'll try to link everything down below for you. I picked up some hair oil and a hair mask just to keep my hair really moisturized as I'm growing it out. Not only does it start getting on my nerves and I just want to cut it, but when it gets dry or frayed at the ends, I just end up telling the hairdresser to cut it all off because I like healthy hair. So I'm trying to avoid cutting it, so let's try to just keep it moisturized. And I didn't have a round brush, usually because my hair is just too short for it, but I went ahead and got one, so as I'm growing my hair out, I can just try some different styles. Alright, it's time to get to decluttering, and you see I had my robe on right there, but that'll come off when I start moving around. But I'm still in what I consider pajamas or lounge clothes, because that's just what I wear when I'm cleaning or cooking or really doing whatever around the house. So this is the mess of products that I need to just organize and declutter. If I'm not using it, I might move it to a different area, or I might get rid of it. That top drawer is mainly hair products, and then I have a hodgepodge of stuff in the next drawer, from jewelry to lotion to makeup brushes. And then I have a drawer for extra makeup, but I may move that to another area. And then at the bottom is my favorite, where I keep the hairdryer plugged in. I talked about that in one of my hair videos, and I think that is totally worth the investment. For me, we paid a contractor to put a plug there so I can leave my hairdryer plugged in, and I just love that. It's time to start getting to work, so I'm just going to put some music on and speed this up. And you guys probably already know the decluttering process involves first taking everything out, cleaning everything, and then deciding what you want to keep and where to put the other things. And I'll pop back on and show you what it looks like at the end.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads and end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good.
Okay guys, so hopefully this motivates you and inspires you to declutter an area in your bathroom. You see, I'm not doing the whole bathroom, just the one cabinet and the one drawer. I tend to do things a little at a time, otherwise I'd be in this bathroom all day long trying to clean out everything. I have 4 piles here to take care of. One is trash. This is extra makeup, and I'm actually not doing my makeup in the bathroom anymore. I'm doing it sitting on the floor in front of this mirror in the bedroom, and we are loving our new carpet, so I'll be talking about that a little bit in an upcoming video. Back to these piles, so I'll store this product for later, and then I'll give these products away. And this jewelry, I need to figure out a better solution to organize this. I haven't figured out anything that works for me. If you guys have any ideas to share, please comment down below and share them with us. And this is what we ended up with. It looks a lot better. I can actually see what I have and be excited about using it. And a little bit later in the video, you'll see that I added a hook for this wrap, and so that's going to be great to be able to hang it there and let it dry. And then on the top, I added a little container to help contain this product here. Here you go, there it is. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're already subscribed, but if not, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also be sure your notifications are turned on so you'll get notified when we post a new video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!